take the whites until they're barely clipping. Do the same with the blacks. Turn the highlights down a little. You know what, let's change the white balance real quick to that. Exposure down. Well, maybe exposure up. Turn the shadows down a little. A little contrast. Vibrance. Let's put some masks on it. I don't know if you know this either, but you could subtract and then click the subject, and then the gradient will go behind it. Turn that down. Light's coming from here. Let's turn it up. So it's behind the subject, right? So I want to make sure it stays behind. I think I might just do blue. Yeah, I'll do that. Get some denoise going on. So I zoom out, go to the face, and see where, cause like if I go too much, it just looks like it just looks blurry. But I want to have some. Yeah, like that's probably good. Wow, denoise is just insane. Before and after.